baby, there are times in a man's life when words just ain't enough. But tonight I gotta try. Look at you, just look at you. You are the first, the last, my everything. And right now, the whole world outside this room, it just fades away. It's just you, and it's me, and this beautiful feeling between us. Yeah. Listen to my heart, lady. It's beating to the rhythm of your love. People talk about heaven, they talk about angels, but I found my paradise right here, looking into your eyes. I don't need the stars in the sky, because you light up my darkest night. Yeah, you do. Every time you touch me, baby, it's like a warm fire on a cold winter night. It satisfies my soul. Baby, can you feel the power of this love? It's real, it's deep, it's forever. I don't ever wanna let you go. No, sir. Come a little closer to me. Let me hold you in these arms. Let the music take us where we wanna go, because nobody loves you, nobody, the way Barry loves you. Yeah. Walk with me, baby. Talk with me, let's make it last all night long. I look at you and the world falls apart. Only your skin remains in my memory. Like salt on my lips, you have a way of touching me that melts me inside and leaves me breathless. With my heart in my hand, and when you come close, I lose all defenses. Just one breath of yours is enough for me to fall again. Stay here, that I burn slowly for you. Stay here. You are my truest hunger, and every kiss of yours takes me away with it. Stay here, until you lose me. If tomorrow the sky falls, I won't let you go. I wanna feel you on my skin, like a seed to inhale.